we are really very happy to host the World 11 here. We know that this is a small step in many ways, but a huge leap for Pakistan, in the sense that if the PSL final in Lahore opened the way, or the gateway to the World 11, we hope, expect and pray that the World 11 will open the gateway for Sri Lanka to come and play here, and then followed by the West Indies. The good news is that the President of the West Indies Cricket Board, Mr. Dave Cameron, will be arriving here a day after to witness the match on the 15th. And Mr. David Richardson, the ICC Chief Executive, will be arriving tomorrow, day after, to watch the match on the 13th. I did send out invitations to a couple of other heads of various boards, but the time was short, and they expressed their support, full support for this series, but expressed their inability to make it here on time. But their good wishes are with us, and I thank them too. मैं सिर्फ ये कहना चाहूँगा कि पाकिस्तान की आवाम के लिए एक बहुत खुशाइन दिन है. उनकी दुआओं की वजह से ये हुआ है, उनकी हमदर्दियों की वजह से ये हुआ है, और अगर ऐसे ना होता तो शायद पता नहीं और कितने साल लग जाते.
But these were all small steps on a long journey, and those steps have been taken by the Pakistani people and the Pakistani government and the Pakistani government agencies more than by anybody else, apart from the team that I've brought with me, who I have the greatest admiration for. It's been a long road. You will all remember that in 2008, the ICC, and I've been a director since before then, determined not to play the Champions Trophy here, and then of course that was followed by the 2009 outrage on the Sri Lankan coach. The Pakistan task team, which I was asked to chair, David Richardson and I, with the invaluable support of the PCB, of Subhan Ahmad, and indeed of Ramiz Raja, I fully accept that the report we produced, with all the recommendations, many of which have been implemented by the PCB, and which Dave Richardson likes to believe have helped in the tremendous performance of the Pakistan cricket team recently in reaching #1 in the world test team, and of course winning the Champions Trophy. I'd like to thank all the Pakistani government agencies. It's impossible to single everybody out, but obviously without the Safe Cities program I don't think we'd be here, and the huge efforts of the Lahore police and the army and the airport security and all the agencies have been vital in this. And I'm especially pleased that we have the full support of the Professional Cricketers Association, the FICA, and their security advisors, ESI, and the Dickerson family.